Hello everybody, hello my passionate lovers, hello my Africa unique ladies. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are fine. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel where we present to you a beautiful and a fabulous Ankara designs for unique and elegant ladies. On today's video, I'll be presenting to you guys a beautiful and astonishing Ankara unique design for elegant women and how you can rock them to your various events. Please do well to watch the video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever new content is posted on this channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you very much. Like, comment, and share to your loved ones. Always join us on this beautiful and amazing channel. See you guys on my next update. Bye for now.